Hey guys, how are you doing today? So I did a painting with retro colors and I liked it so much I wanted to try it with a different technique this time. So the colors today are titanium white, phthalo blue, cadmium yellow, alizarin crimson. I like this color so much. Just look at the contrast. This is a custom color that I made with mixing primary red and cadmium orange. It goes very well with that alizarin crimson. So this is a classic puddle pour. The teal is just popping up on the pour. It looks so great. What do you think of the colors? Let me know in the comments. Oh, I really like this puddle. Just want to leave it here as it is. It's so relaxing to just watch it. This process is just amazing. Just look at this puddle pour. It's cute. What do you think of the colors? Let me know, guys. Tell me what do you think. Now I think I'll wreck it. It will give it some definition, it will give it some dimension. Some of the paint is still left in the cup. We will gonna get all the paint in the cup. We will use the last drop. Some yellow and white. The teal is giving such a beautiful contrast here. I have a skewer stick with me. I'm gonna do it very slowly. I'm trying to go for symmetrical lines. And that's giving it a definition like the flower petal. Wow. Here. Wow. Look at that. This looks so hypnotizing. Now we will spread the paint very slowly. Hey guys, if you like my videos, please subscribe to my channel. It will help my channel grow and motivate me to make more art. There are so many videos here on YouTube. If you don't interact with the video, it gets lost in the hundreds of thousands of videos. So it will be immensely helpful for me if you interact with my videos. I have some paint left, so I'm gonna paint the edges of the canvas here. This painting has all my happy colors: yellow, Alizarin red, teal. All these colors just make me so happy. How do you feel about it? Do colors affect your mood as well? Do let me know. So here's a close-up view of the piece. It looks like an bright abstract flower with beautiful petals. Look at that red popping up. So here are the dried results. I framed it. I think it's giving it a sleek look, very finished look. Thanks for watching.